अच्छा, मेरे को आप लिंक व्हाट्सएप पे दे दो, मैं पोस्ट कर देता हूँ दिन में। अब कर दो सही लाइव वाला, इसको म्यूट।
म्यूट है। नहीं ये, अच्छा यही, इसको ही बंद कर देता
बंद
हूँ।
कर।
Very good morning, Dr. Murali.
हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग।
How are you doing?
आई एम गुड, आई एम गुड।
Good. Well, this week I couldn't do much actually, but I was trying to improve on that thing, which I did, and I wanted to spend that $25. It looks like, they have put the domain for sale, lovable.net. So I'm not able to progress further.
You mean you wanted to use Lovable, but you couldn't use Lovable?
Yeah, that's right.
The Lovable URL is lovable.dev, DEV.
Not net.
No, no, no.
Okay. Lovable.dev. Okay. What a I can't believe this.
Happens. So, so you were able to host your site?
Now I'll do it today. I want to do something actually, and it was interesting.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I typed wrong. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. So fundamental mistakes, huh? The base wrong. If the base is wrong, everything is wrong.
Hi, BT.
Morning, Doc.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Vibe Coding Masterclass. So we have learned how to build functional apps together, but today it's personal. So like how BT put it, let's all build a myname.com. So we are going to build something that truly represents us. That'll be your personal website. So yeah, we will all be doing this, and I'm sure a lot of us have tried building our own personal website. So think of it as your own digital business card, your online identity, your home on the internet. So by the end of this session, you won't just know how to build one, you will have your own myname.com ready to showcase to the world. So today morning, I purchased my mine domain, That's murlibk.com. Murli.com was taken. So I went to GoDaddy and I purchased this domain, murlibk.com. So today let's see if we can host this in GoDaddy, or maybe using Lovable, we'll host this domain. And we will also make sure that the code is in GitHub. So that we'll also create a repository in GitHub and store the code there so that we are able to uh, collaborate and build on this website. Uh, what do you say, BT? So,
Excellent idea. I did post my website, bgtaragan.com, for people to check out. How does it look? I mean, it's not vibe coded. It is coded,
okay.
but it is a templated one. Like I use a template which is suitable for me. But I would want to vibe code this. I have multiple domains, so I can use any of the domain. And if what I'm coding right from scratch, of course, gives me more confidence control, I would replace this with the one which I coded.
Huh.
Yeah. So everybody, I think, Doc, you have to tell them to search where to search for our domain availability onwards, right? And choose all the steps. Yeah.
Okay, let me share screen and let me go to GoDaddy. So, so this is the best place to purchase domains. So you go here and search for your name.
You should do it right now. You should do it together.
Okay, let's do it together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody should go and check confirm that they got a domain.
Yes.
I mean, even if they don't buy it, at least they can identify this is what I'm going to do.
Ah.
So I will post the GoDaddy link on the portal, on the chat here.
So Kirtan, do you have your own kirtan.com?
I want everybody to comment on the chat here, saying that this is going to be my website domain name. This is how it
Good
is
morning.
going to be.
Good morning.
Yes, I have my own website, portfolio website, but I deployed it in my Versal. I didn't use my personal domain. I'll just send you the link for that.
Okay, and why don't we purchase? Why don't we make our own site? So you don't have a domain, is it?
Yeah, I don't have a domain.
Ah,
So the buying a domain is like it's gonna cost you. So when you have a free alternative, why to go on a
ah.
purchased one, right?
That is
That,
also good. That is also good. So
yeah,
both the
yeah.
options we should discuss.
Yes, yes, yes. So you need not purchase a domain, and you can go. You can host your site in Vercel, and Vercel gives you a free URL which you can advertise as your domain name. So that is another free way to do it. So you can do that also. So that uh, so
So
that
let's all do that, and later once they buy, then they can migrate to that one.
yeah, let's do that first.
Yeah.
So for that, we all need to open cursor, and
Okay.
so I will open cursor here. So here we will open a project.
Hold on. If anybody doesn't have Cursor app, they have to download Cursor app
Download
on their
cursor.
computer. Yeah. Maybe that is the first step. Download Cursor on a computer and open Cursor app.
Ah. So you open a new folder and you can name it the domain that you want later. So I plan to purchase a domain in this name.
Guys, if we are going too fast, please, either open your mic and speak or chat on the comment. Because, we just don't want to go fast without you. So you have to toggle between what Dr. Murli is saying and on your computer, you have to work it together.
So have we all downloaded Cursor?
Yes, you can say yes in the chat. I want everyone to be active. Soumya, thank you. I want everybody to be active on the chat, because otherwise you will listen 1 hour and then, nothing, no action will happen. Sudeep, go ahead and download, no? AB, okay. Doc, can you give the step of cursor downloading
Okay.
once again?
Okay.
So you may want to post in the link in the chat saying that go here and download. And congratulations for everyone for taking this step.
So the URL is cursor.com. So let me put it in the chat. Go to cursor.com. And go to all downloads. There's a button, downloads, that's right. So if you're using a Mac OS, select the Mac. There are 3 options for Mac OS. Then there are 4 options for Windows. So you select one of these and you download it. So Cursor gives 3 options. One is you download it. That's the oldest way of working. So that you can download Cursor and start building an app. Or you can also click on the Open Cursor Web. So that is the second option. And the third option is you can use the terminal and access Cursor, which is Cursor CLI. So there are 3 options, but the best is to download and do it. So when you download it and you install it, so you'll find Cursor as a it'll be more like a VS Code application where you will be able to put your prompts to the right corner, and you can actually Cursor is a fork of VS Code. So the look and feel will be more like VS Code. VS Code is what conventional coding, that's how software professionals have been coding all along. So VS Code is something very basic application for coding. So Cursor is a fork. So that's the best way to do it. You download cursor and then you open up a folder in your computer, either in the desktop or downloads. And then you start coding. So here I have opened a folder in the name of murlibk.com, which is the domain that I have purchased.
Yeah. Doctor, I just downloaded and installed it, and it says that 14 days free trial is available. But if you go for Cursor Pro, you have to pay $20.
Take the
So
free
did
trial.
Free trial. Huh.
that option I could go to? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That.
Yeah, hi Thomas. Good morning, and Murli, Dr. Murli.
Good morning.
See, we joined like actually to be frank, Mr. Thomas, I forgot on me. I believe I'm from Bangalore, Mr. Thomas. Actually, Mr. Manjunath here. And regarding
I've not forgotten you.
no worries, no worries. And we joined just did actually. If you can brief a few more people, like anyone, including me, like how this is going to take it to the next level. Where all this can be used across. And just a
Yeah.
brief. Okay, sorry for the late reply response from my end. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Manju, we are just doing creating our personal website because by doing is the fastest way of learning, and everybody has to create their personal website. It is like manju.com or manju your second name.com, or so right now the step is everybody identify a domain name and use we are going to use Cursor to start building that and host it in Vercel without any charge, so that everybody understands these are the basic steps which is required. So that's where we are. So we are not progress. And for the last 2 weeks, somebody also asked me, can I get the recording of the last 2 weeks? Yes, those will be available. We'll send you the link in the WhatsApp group, and then you can understand the last 2 weeks as well. All right. So we are still in the very beginning phase. So you have not lost much.
Okay, done.
All right, Manju. Okay, Murli sir.
So we create a new folder and we open. So here to the left, we'll see all the code, all the files here. And to the right, we can add the prompts to this window. Have we all reached this stage?
Everybody is on the black screen? Or anybody?
Yes.
Can you just count? Soumya, can you confirm that you finished the downloading?
Yeah, I'm on the black screen. I could see my email, and underneath that, overview settings, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, you will get a window where on the right side you said there is a chat. On the left side there are folders.
Do you see open folder, clone?
No.
You want to share your screen, Pramod?
I'm just, I'm using two devices actually. One is laptop. I'm hearing you from my phone actually.
That is okay.
So-
That is okay. You can share the laptop screen to us.
Okay,
and
let's see.
and we can help you
All right.
because this
Okay.
is very important step. This will get you started.
All right. Start video, and then this is it. I'm here.
Oh, so you're not sharing it from the laptop. You're
Yeah, I
trying.
know. I'm
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. It's not very clear. So you're already in. So there, I can't read it very well, but there should be like a new project.
see here. I couldn't see the new project.
Click on that free plan.
A free
No,
plan,
no, no.
this here, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no tab. There is no tab like that, where I could use that.
No, you're
Whereas,
already in free plan. That's why you're not able to select a free plan. So you just
You're already in free plan.
yeah.
yeah, okay. So I'm just changing.
So
No, no, don't change. Don't change.
Okay. I'll go to the overview, okay? So I'm here.
Have you is it are you in the browser, or are you have you installed, okay.
Download the app or on the browser.
Okay.
So you have to go
I
back.
have downloaded. I've downloaded
You'll have
and
to-
installed.
Okay, you'll have to open the installed file.
Yeah, go to the Windows magic bar and ask for cursor. It'll open the app. And meanwhile, I want everybody to confirm that they are on that cursor black window.
Login. I have done the login also, I think, yeah.
But did you open the app now?
Yes.
Yeah, it opened. Yeah. Yeah. So
Okay.
is it here?
Now you go back again and open the app on the install done.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
You go down to the Windows bar bottom.
Continue.
Continue. Okay. Again, continue, I think. Agent, cursor, tab, and inline.
Continue.
Yeah, okay. Continue this. Okay. Yeah.
Open project.
Open project.
So
Okay.
Create a folder and
name the folder.
Yeah.
You name the folder.
Pramod.com, right?
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Selected folder. Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to create, no? You have to create that folder there. You create a new folder in that box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Create first.
Create first and select that.
Okay. Understood that.
Meanwhile, everybody else, please confirm that you are on that black window of cursor.
Yeah. Okay. It looks like this now.
Yeah, thanks, Soumya, for confirming. What about everyone else? AB? Jijo, sir?
All right.
Meena? Santosh? Sudeep? Vivek? Sudeep is sharing screen.
Murli, I'm confused. I have signed up with my email ID and now showing me the free plan here.
Yes,
So,
you are already in the free plan.
I already in the free plan, na?
Yes,
in the
yes.
dashboard, and there is an agent. So I have to click on dashboard, na?
Now you can straight away install, download and install cursor.com. So if you go to download and cursor, you go back, there'll be a download option.
I have already downloaded and I have a exe file and I with the help of exe file I have installed.
Uh-huh. Open open the file again.
Open the file again. Okay. This is one.
Open the folder. Yeah.
Open. Okay. I accept. Next. Create desktop icon. Next. Install.
Huh.
I have done already. It's I think overlay.
So we are not able to see that screen. Can you share the entire screen so that we
Okay.
can see what you're doing?
Meanwhile, Abhi, did you download? Jijo sir, Manju, Meena, Mohammed, Nihar, Nitin, Santosh.
See, I just in GoDaddy, promote.com is 122,000 AED. Wow.
Yeah,
So
don't
somebody
buy.
has.
Yeah, don't buy. You are very popular, so you buy something else.
Looks like. I thought, it's Pramod is
Yeah,
not very
promote
popular.
netil.com. NETIYIL.
Yeah. All right. Or NP. Okay. Yeah.
Murli, Murli,
Yes.
entire screen is not showing, but I have clicked. Now it's visible or not?
I can see the file manager. Have you installed it?
Yes, I have installed it.
Okay, what do you see on your screen?
Uh, Cursor icon is there in my desktop.
Okay, have you opened by clicking that installed application? Have you opened that application?
Yeah, I have opened. Now it's showing welcome to cursor and sign up and login. So I
Login.
have signed up. Uh,
Now,
login, not sign up.
now you can log in.
Login. You can see this now.
No, I can't see. Uh, I'm not able to see what you're doing.
Again, I'm sharing.
Okay.
Now you can see.
Yes.
Huh.
So
Welcome screen is there. Sign in or sign up.
login.
Login. Okay. This is my email ID. And yes, login. All set.
Continue.
Feel free to return.
Yes.
Continue. Where is continue? Where is continue? Continue. Download. Okay.
So where are you now? Which is the screen you're in now?
I'm the downloaded folder and 2x cursor user setup dot exe file is there. Now I am clicking on this folder is not visible for you, I think.
No, I'm not able to see what you're doing.
Whole screen is not shareable. Only current window is only
If you start,
run. Okay, run. I have run the setup. Setup has detected that cursor is currently running. Please close all instances of it now, then click on OK to continue or cancel to exit.
Hi, Kirtan. Kirtan, can you share with us also free alternative so that everybody gets domain name and deploying?
That's what. Instead of buying the domain name, if you use Vercel or any other deployment
then
website,
Supabe, even if
Yeah.
we
Yeah, we are using that. We are using that. Yeah.
yeah. So we can keep our names in front of the link, the URL. Like mine is kirtanrajesh.netlify.app. So the only con here is that we have to use the website's name, which is Netlify, after the actual name. So
Agreed. We all are going to do that only
yeah.
today. Yeah.
So that's the cost of using for a free alternative, right? We can't have everything for free. So we'll have to keep that.
Yeah, that is for learning this, and afterwards, if somebody wants to have their domain myname.com or whatever, they can go and buy and then deploy
Yeah.
there.
Yes.
Hi, Sid. How are you? Good to see you, Sid. Sid, did you download Cursor on your laptop? Sid, your mic is mute, okay? All right. Is everybody ready with the next step?
Downloaded and now it's showing cursor open project, close repo and connect via SSH.
Open project.
Open project. Okay. New folder created.
so
Yeah,
you'll have,
create a new folder called
So,
sudeep.com.
uh,
sudeepkumar.com. Create a new folder and then select that folder. I hope everybody is on that page. Now, yeah, life is like that. It will move forward. So we are also going to move to the next step. Right? So, of course, we can come
done.
back and
Done,
thanks.
Murli, done.
okay,
Done.
okay.
I'm on the page.
Now what we'll do, we will, I will share a prompt in the chat. So we'll use that prompt to start coding. Okay.
Doctor, we have to use this GitHub, right? I have saw some text here. Instead of GoDaddy, we have to find.
No. GoDaddy is all different story. That is for
Okay.
domain hosting. Now we are on
Okay.
Cursor. We are
Yeah.
going to
Okay.
follow the instruction here. That is, we will copy and paste that prompt on the right side chat window. Right, Doc?
Understood that. Okay.
Yes. So let's
All right.
start coding now. So later, I'll show how we can deploy this on the internet. How do we first add to GitHub and then deploy in the internet. That will come later. First, we need to have a page. So we are now trying to build the page.
Perfect.
So share the magic prompt.
Yes.
Waiting.
Aha.
It's so exciting to have your own website and making yourself on the internet.
True.
So I'm sharing a prompt which I made for myself. Now you'll have to
Tweak those
or I
things.
think
Yeah.
you open up ChatGPT and you
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, that is even better. So that
ChatGPT.
will help people to understand that you can do that. Get the help of another AI while you are doing vibing with another AI, right?
Yeah.
So open ChatGPT and ask a
So
question.
So you just have to say, I'm so and so, that's your name, and uh, suggest a prompt for building my personal website. And you may add that I am a doctor, or I'm a surgeon, or I'm an advocate, or I'm a CA, whatever. So
Doctor, can I say that, use my LinkedIn profile? No, not at the moment, right?
no. So
Okay.
You can do that by screenshotting or taking pictures of your LinkedIn page, all the
Yeah.
sections, and attach it here on the plus sign on ChatGPT, and say use these images to extract my information.
yeah.
Perfect. Looks good.
Actually, the best application for this is Perplexity. It researches all your social media sites, and it'll give you a researched biodata of yourself. So,
So first to go to Perplexity then.
Perplexity is the best.
Everybody go to Perplexity and say research about myname.com or my name, right? And
Research about my name. I live in this part of the world, and I do this. So then you're giving more context for it to search you in the internet. So when I searched my name, it gave me this information. So I just need to copy all this and paste it in Cursor. And then say that I want to build my personal website.
Perplexity has to be searched on Google immediately.
Perplexity.ai. PERPLEXITY.ai.
I have shared the document that I made. It
Okay, I have a question. On that cursor chat on the right side, I have an option of selecting an agent or GPT-5. Which one I should choose?
So if ideally you should leave it as auto,
Auto. Okay.
and then agent is the right choice. Yes. Select agent and auto on the next drop down.
Okay, got it.
So I shared a document in which I have a prompt to give to cursor and also about information about myself.
Yeah, just a question. So, is there any limit in the number of characters which can go into this window at a time?
About 2 pages of prompt is good enough. Like 2-3 pages it will take.
Okay. So now I can see that it is thinking, it is doing the reasoning. It is building some subfolders under the BT website folder.
Yeah.
On the left side.
So it will start with installing dependencies like
Yeah,
React.
that's what it is.
So these
That's
are basic software applications that any device should have installed. So it will start installing these dependencies one by one. So this is a one-time install. So next time when you start building an application using React or Next, you don't have to install it again. So this may take a little time, but this is just a one-time install.
That is app components.
Yes.
Yeah, something is going on. I could see it is preparing an index.html and all that.
Yeah.
It feels good when something is moving, no?
Yeah.
Something is working.
I'm so impatient. I've downloaded Cursor twice, I think, and perplexity twice.
No problem.
I mean,
So Perplexity works on the Chrome and also as a downloaded application.
yeah. I think, I've downloaded both. I mean, I've downloaded. It's not on the browser. Yeah, something is happening. I could see. Yeah. On the left side, Dr. and Vijay, I could see promote.com. Under that, I've seen that, index.html is already done.
Yes.
And now styles.css is underway.
So the front end can be made using HTML, CSS, JS, or even Next and React. So these are certain applications that have to be downloaded first, and the relevant files you'll be able to see in the left sidebar.
Yeah. One appeared, and probably the next one is going to appear.
Yes, so it is creating the whole application now that you have instructed what all you want. So it'll build all that. And once it is done, it'll also share a clickable link that will open the application in a local port. So there will be a URL that will be given by the application by cursor. So when you click on it, it'll open Chrome and open your application.
Wonderful. Looking forward to that.
So there are, it's if you see in my screen, it is created a hero section, the various tabs you need in the home page, and it is also created an about section and a Hope Hospital section. So if I want to see what are the code, I can click on this and see the codes which will appear in the middle section. So so I can check which are the codes and see the code for if it's okay. Now it's creating a news and insights section.
Yeah, I could see a lot of code written in the middle section. I think it's the main section, I believe.
So that it's showing what all pages it has built.
What about others? I can't hear any of them. So it's three of us we are speaking. I think I should keep it on mute.
Yeah, Soumya, how is it going? Ebi, Manju.
Yeah, I'm outside and also going through understanding because there's a lot of disturbance here actually. And this sense it
Oh,
disturbs
okay.
me very.
Okay. So anybody want to share? They can. Anybody have any questions? They can. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, Doc. Hello.
Yeah.
Doc, now I have completed the process and it is saying in the next steps is add real photos, replace placeholder images with professional photos.
Yes.
Then modify text to match your exact experience. Connect forms, set up actual form submission handling. Add analytics, integrate Google Analytics or similar. Then deploy, push to GitHub and deploy to Vercel for live website.
So let us now see how the website looks like. For that, you need to give a prompt which says share the project as a clickable link of the local port. So there's this command npm run dev, and it'll restart the server, and then it has given me the link. So I'm going to
So
click.
shall I give from share the project as clickable link?
Huh?
Shall I say share the project as
Yeah.
clickable link or
Yes, you have to say share the project as a clickable link of the local port.
yeah?
So what do you see now?
I already like went few steps ahead. It is asking me, do you want to walk you through the GitHub setup first, or
Um,
prefer try Vercel deployment?
so did you see how your project looks like?
Yeah,
Okay. So
one sec.
you can go ahead and deploy in GitHub. So you just say push the code to GitHub.
One second. I want everybody to come up as well. What happened? Nobody's talking.
Um, I reached 4 files are created, and then there is, you can, it says that you can, on the right side, you can say that it says that you can open index.html in your browser to see the website in action. So
You
let me,
you have to ask for sharing a clickable link of the local port where you can see the project. Ask cursor to share a clickable link of the local port.
so, okay. Mm, Let me start a local web server for you. It says C users admin promote.com and Python blah blah blah. And underneath that I could see run, skip, reject, and tell what to do immediately.
Run. So is there, did you get a link you can click?
No. I didn't get that.
It'll say
Let
the
me-
website is now live at HTTP localhost 3000.
It says cd/c/users/admin/promote.com and Python -m http.server 8000.
Same link.
That 8000 link you have to click.
Okay. No, what's wrong with this? Should I press the run, because that's not a link as such. It is
Run.
run. Okay.
Can you share screen?
My bad. Actually, no, I did funny stuff. Okay. All right. Okay.
Go to the. So you'll have to say, share a clickable link of the local port where I can see the project.
Okay. Okay.
What about everyone else? Are you guys following? Because when you finish, everybody should share their website, okay?
Devansh, how far have you reached? Sudeep?
Yes, sir. You called me.
Have you also
So
are
I've
you
created my website from last time. I'm trying to follow this time uh, because I joined late today because of my classes.
That's okay. So can we see what sites we have built? Anybody who wants to share screen?
Doc, I'm on. I have a question. So I connected to the Git. So should we create a new repository for this?
Yes.
Oh, maybe that step. Okay.
You need to create a new repository. Use the same domain name that you will be using later.
Hmm.
And copy the URL of that repository that you have made and then paste it in cursor.
Okay. Okay. When I go to the import to deploy a new project, import an existing Git repository or get started with one of our templates. Okay. Clone template. Okay. Browse all templates.
So this is the website it has built. Now I will go to to GitHub and I'll click here. So this is the repository. So I'll copy this link and I'll paste it here and say push the project to GitHub. So, Pramod, you have to restart your server so that that link works. So for that, you'll have to open a new terminal and there's a command which says npm run dev. So when you give this command, it will restart the the server where our code is, and then click on the link, and it will open the page. So it will open this page. So if that localhost URL doesn't work, you have to restart the server and then try it. And then you can click on the link and it'll open. So my GitHub has all the code.
Doc, I have a question.
Yeah.
In the so Ursula is telling me after starting a new project in Git, choose upload template and drag and drop your entire BT website folder to the upload area.
So are you
Okay.
in Cursor now, or where are you now?
I'm reading on cursor this comments deploy your portfolio on Vercel complete guide, right? Where
No,
it
no.
is
For that, you don't have to go to Vercel or do anything like that. You just say deploy using Vercel CLI.
in the cursor itself.
In the cursor itself, say deploy using Vercel CLI. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'll show you. Deploy using Vercel CLI.
Now it's saying your website is fully built and ready. Once node.js is installed, the Vercel CLI will give you professional public URL in just few minutes. Start installing node.js from nodejs.org and let me know. So would you like me to help you then? Okay. So basically it's asking me to install Node.js.
So so this node.js is part of the backend, and that is nowadays not necessary if you're building a simple website with just the you don't need much of database to be stored, the data to be stored in databases now. You can just use your UI and a super base, and even for large applications there's no need for a backend using node.js.
Oh, really?
So we, in fact, when we start a project, we say we want to have just the UI and Supabase. We don't want Node.js because that complicates everything. Then there is a separate UI, the front end. There is a separate back end, and that complicates the whole application.
Hmm.
So if you have a simple front end and Supabase, it is very easy to deploy the site in Vercel. You just have to give the command deploy using Vercel CLI. And like if you see the screen, it will only deploy in Vercel.
Hmm.
There's not much of manual, copying folders from one application to another. It'll do it automatically.
I, being impatient, I went ahead and installed. I'm talking to you after doing the work.
So you went to vercel.com and then did it?
Yeah, in the Vercel window, it gave me the link to install Node.js. Okay, let's see.
Also, you can install and then ask Cursor to deploy it using Vercel CLI.
Now it gave me a Windows PowerShell window. Administrator, Windows PowerShell. Okay. I think I had to buy a new computer now. I heard somebody laughing. Was it Ruby?
No, no. No, that was Upendra, a member of my team. So it deployed on its own. I didn't have to intervene at all.
So show me your website.
Huh. So this is deployed. The domain name is murlibkcom.vercel.app.
Hmm.
So I'll
Okay,
share.
where are the pictures? We want to see your photos.
I have to add my photos to that public folder. So wherever you have your code is in the device, you have to open up. There is a public folder. So there will be a placeholder image. So using the same file name, you replace that file with with the image of yourself. So it will then show that image. I will do that. So let me do that. Yeah. So in the hero section, I want to add my image. Hero section. I want to add my image. How do I do it? So it's creating a public folder. So with a image folder. So it has made a file with a file name dr-murli-bk.jpg. So I have to go and rename my image the same name and then replace that image.
What was it? What there was a command which you gave earlier, no, for not going to GitHub and upload the entire folder, right? You gave a command, right?
You just have to say deploy my project using Vercel CLI. Deploy my project using Vercel, VRCL, CL.
Yeah. What it's saying, go to Vercel. Again, after saying get your portfolio website deployed immediately using Vercel web interface. This will give you a live professional URL in just 5 minutes. Web interface method, go to Vercel. Create account, sign up, GitHub, recommended. Start new project. Upload template. Again, it's saying the same thing.
So, okay, just go to Vercel and start a project, and then you can come back here and give the same prompt again.
So Vercel, I'm logged in with a different email ID. Does it make any problem?
No.
Okay, after I log in Vercel, I can see I'm already logged in and I can see the dashboard. And it says that usage in the last 30 days and then projects. I can create a new project, right?
Create a new project with the caption, whatever .com site that you're
So when
building.
I click create new project, it's saying to deploy a new project, import an existing Git repository or get started with one of our templates. What shall I choose?
Git repository.
Or
So
existing. Import existing. I did create earlier bijitharayan.com.
no, yeah, we don't want that existing. We want to create a new project.
Okay, a new project. Now after to deploy a new project, import existing Git repository or get started with one of our templates.
No, Git repository. You have to
Yes.
start
So
with the
in Git import third party Git repository. Okay, if I click that. No, it is giving me like a link which I have to paste and import. No, that's not the one. So it is not giving me an option to start a new Git repository. It is telling me the earlier 3 repositories I created, I can see it. And on the right side, I can see templates.
No, you can add a new project using a new Git repository.
Yeah, I clicked on add a new project. The next page is to deploy a new project, import an existing Git repository or get started with one of our templates. Only these 2 options. And
Click
in
on
the
the
template,
existing. Click on the existing repository.
that is right. It is not allowing to use.
You will have to log into the GitHub from there. Then only you can get access to all the repositories.
So when you're logging to Vercel, use continue with GitHub. So that way,
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
GitHub is connected to your Vercel.
Yes, that is how it is done.
So have you connected your GitHub?
Yes. Using the Git only, I logged on to Vercel. When I log on to Vercel, it'll ask me.
When you click on Overview tab, there is a black button which says Add New. So did you click on that?
Oh, yeah. Overview tab. Yes, add new. Yeah. There in
Click on the
project, right?
project,
Yeah.
and then you
Yeah.
search for your repository here. Where you must be seeing your repository here.
Yeah, I can see 3. Yes.
Out of which is the present one?
Present one which I created today.
Today.
Okay, but that I created using a template. I couldn't create a new repository here. Should I go to Git and create a new one?
You have to first create a repository for today's project, and
Oh,
then
I was thinking from here itself I should be able to create. No.
No,
Okay, got it. So I go to Git and create a new repository, come back here and choose that repository.
Yes.
Got it. So here I am on the Git dashboard. Yeah, new repository. Okay, repository name, BT website. Yes, it is available. Okay. Description. This repository contains BT's personal website experiments. Visibility public, add readme, I can off or on. Add git nor. Git nor or no git nor? Create repository. Okay. No git nor, right? Git ignore template.
You don't have to select all that. Just create.
Create repository.
Just create.
Got it. So now come back here.
You have to choose the URL of that repo. Or you can come back to Vercel and choose the name of the.
Yeah. That is better. Come back to Vercel. Hmm. Yeah. Yes, I can see the new one. I can import. Yeah.
Hmm.
Then below there is framework preset. Nothing to be done. Deploy, right?
Hmm.
Should
So
I
now,
select something?
now you go back to cursor and then say that you want to deploy
No.
using Vercel CLI.
Okay. But how do I give them this link
Huh.
of the place in it, how it will get connect to this Vercel? So git and it is connected, so it will go. It will
Your
automatically
project is
take.
connected to Git and Git is
Yes.
connected to this.
Okay, so it will automatically take. Yeah.
Or you can go to Vercel tokens page and create a token, copy that token, and then give it to cursor.
Vercel token page.
Huh.
Hold on.
So if you go to settings, there is tokens.
1 second. So I'm on. Where? How do I go to the tokens page? I'm on Vercel.
Settings. If you go to my
Account settings.
account settings.
Yeah, I can see tokens. Yes,
So you
and
create a new token.
create. So new token name it is asking, scope and expiration date it is asking.
Scope, you have to select the project.
I say 1 day expiring, right?
No. Why do you want to have it only for a day? Well,
This token. What is the purpose of this?
so every time you want to push your code to Vercel, you'll need this token. The cursor will use this token to link the project to Vercel.
Okay, 1 second. So no expiration. Okay. Then I copy the token
Give it
and
to
then
cursor.
and say what?
So
Deploy.
authenticate with the token. So it is like giving cursor the Vercel login for it to go and deploy the project.
Okay. It asked me to run certain Vercel versions in
It'll ask
CL.
a few questions. You'll have to answer those questions.
Hmm. It did not fix it, actually. It did not fix the problem because after it did all that, it is saying use your token with Vercel web interface recommended. Since you have Vercel token, you can use it with the web interface. Go to Vercel dashboard, open Vercel, sign in, new project, upload template. Again, drag and drop the entire BT website folder, deploy. So
No,
it's going back.
no, you should say automatically deploy in Vercel using this token, and the code is in the Git repository, and you give that repository URL also.
It's Git. That github.com, that particular one which I created, no?
So there'll be an URL when you when you
I take from the URL from the browser URL, github.com, that one.
here in the screen here this is the URL. When you github.com / that
Yeah.
and then / and then it should end with .git.
Oh, it
Usually
should end.
the URL doesn't end with .git, you just have to add .git.
Oh, okay. I got it. Under the code, you can copy it.
Yeah,
Got it.
under the code you'll
Yeah.
find URL.
Yeah. Okay.
It's finished.
It is still telling me after this, it is still saying. So what I said is it automatically deploy in Vercel using this token, and I pasted the token, and the code is in the repository here, and the link URL to the repository. It's like perfect. I can see you have a GitHub repository at this and a Vercel token. Let me help you deploy. Go to Vercel dashboard, vercel.com, sign in with your account, then import your GitHub repository, new project, and import Git repository, connect GitHub, find and select import, configure your project. Okay. Parcel.com. Give me some steps. Next.js, current npm run build. Why there is silence? Nobody want to say anything. Or everybody is busy building their website with photographs. Doc,
Yeah.
can we make a document for all the steps?
Yes, yes, yes.
Maybe a Word document so that everybody can try it and share it in the group during the week.
Yes.
It's not going to get over now, but by this week, before next session, they can say this is the myname.com or Versal, whatever I built.
Okay.
Yeah, that sounds a good plan actually. I think I got stuck because there is some proxy settings and all that which I have to do. Second, I was doing on Edge. Still, there is something wrong. And, so what's the success ratio? How many could achieve today?
So,
BG, I could see that you have done, but about others?
no, I'm still doing.
Okay.
What is the problem you run into, Pramod?
I think I just closed those prompts, but then I could see that something wrong with the proxy, the firewalls and all that. But it is my private laptop, so there are no firewalls, which I remember. So if you, I have just posted my website details, localhost 8000. If you type in, is it opening in your laptop?
No, it won't open.
It won't open.
It won't open. That's a local URL that will open only in your device.
Okay. So let me redo this actually. Somewhere, something went wrong. Okay. Let me redo this.
In cursor, in the tab, we can attach a folder. I mean, attach a file.
Any images can be attached by clicking on this icon.
Which icon?
This one, this image icon. Where you put your prompt in that corner, right hand side corner, there is an image icon. You click on that, you'll be able to attach any image.
Okay. Just copy paste is enough. How the local project files to be pushed to the Git?
So you just have to tell cursor to push to Git.
Okay. Soumya, any progress? Or you left? AB?
So I'll put down the steps in a document with I'll make it as simple as possible. So then you can follow that and then deploy the project.
Yeah. Wait a second. Anybody has got any questions before we close?
No, I think, I would restart in another computer and see and run step by step and more patiently this time.
Yeah, Doc, can I share my screen? I need some help.
Yes, yes, yes.
1 second. Okay, so this is running on Vercel. I ran the deployment, it gave me some error.
Huh. So the
So what?
code has some error. You'll have to debug the code, and only the code which has no error can be deployed.
Okay, so who will debug? I cannot debug the
Cursor,
code, so I will use
cursor.
cursor only, right?
Ah,
So I copy this error.
you just copy this and then give it to cursor. It'll debug it. No,
Yeah,
that's
so
copy icon. No, no, not that.
oh here that one, right?
Now give it to cursor and it'll debug it.
Doctor, I think, you should have Python installed, I think. If Python is not there, Node.js, and then PHP also, isn't it?
The idea is that you should not worry about all of this. The idea is that you should not
Uh,
worry about.
so if you're having Python, it won't deploy in Vercel. So in the initial prompt, no, we will all give these two instructions to cursor. One thing is it should use either React or Next.js and not Python. And the second instruction is that not to use a backend technology like Node.js. So these two instructions we have to give. If it
Hmm.
starts coding in Python, then we won't be able to deploy in Vercel. Then there are two other deployment tools like Railway. So we'll have to use some other. We won't be able to use Vercel.
Okay, so let me try that. Okay. So if I have to close this project, how do I do this and restart a new one?
You just have to close the entire application, and then there'll be three options. So you can start the project from a folder.
Okay.
The first
Yeah.
option you get. So you use that option.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah. I think it's better for everyone that if we create a document and saying run some brief write up, the purpose, process, and at the end what they will get. Then step number one, check on godaddy.com. Any suitable domain is available. Don't buy it. Look at this, then go back, download cursor, download this, git, all that logins, connections, and all that. And then go to ChatGPT, give this particular prompt, extract information, and ask ChatGPT that give a prompt to give it to cursor to make a personal website, and then add additional things like restrictions. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Right? Don't code in. Don't give prompt to code in Python, etc., whatever. Right? And then paste that. So what I'm saying is that we will make that step-by-step document
Okay,
so that people can.
I'll share the step-by-step document.
Yeah. Here I can see that this is stuck here. It is still doing something, and it is still figuring out the error.
You can
It's
you can
still
skip it,
there.
try again. Skip and no, I think it is pushing. It'll take some time.
Yeah, I have to be patient sometimes. Sometimes I'm very impatient. I went ahead and installed all the stuff before you said don't do it.
You're much faster than the servers.
No, I'm very impatient. I want to finish first.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but this idea of creating this personal website will get a lot of basics into people's mind about what sequence we have to do, and I mean, what is the relevance of Git and cursor and Vercel, and without knowing technology much, but still we have to know certain elements of giving restrictions for it to work well. And then that is the basic, right? Like the one which you showed, drmurlibk.com. But then we need to go and say, oh, we want it to have photos of me and the events which I conducted or whatever I want to publicly share. So I will have like a photo and a description of that photo, and then we have to give those to Vercel cursor and put it in the code such that when it deploys it, it looks nice without much backwork. Or can we create like a backend place where we can go and edit, not in the code, like for example, like a content management system?
No, that you mean like how we do with Lovable, like that?
Yeah.
No, that when you're using cursor, you can't do that. That is only possible with Lovable or tools similar to Lovable.
Mhm. What if we want to create a prompt in such a way that the prompt will say that we need content management system when we deploy the website? In cursor.
Oh, what do you mean by content management exactly?
So when I log in, I should go and say, okay, here is a new blog post. Here is my new photo, and it should automatically update the website. I mean, it's like a backend where I can go and upload certain thing, not go and change in the code.
So all this code is there as a folder in your laptop. So you can always go there and add images to one of the folders inside that main folder. So if you rename it, like how I did for my hero page, what I did is I went to that public folder, and inside public folder is the image folder, and the cursor told me to name the image in a certain manner. So I renamed it and placed that file inside that folder, and again pushed the code to Git and deployed in Vercel. And now I have that image in the website.
Got it. Okay, Soumya is asking one question. Once the index file is created, what is the next step? I don't know, Soumya, where you are. If you want to share your screen, I can stop and then we can help. Kirtan also had some question about index.html. You have
Between,
sorted out?
thanks for inviting Vijit. Greeting. I'm from
Yeah,
KSP,
yeah.
and I have two questions now. Okay, once
Yeah.
we have done up to Versal, how if I have already one domain, how can I point into that domain? And if I want to take my file to my own hosting, should I just go and directly copy paste from the Versal files to my website, my own hosting? and pointing to which is pointing to my own domain, or how we going to perform those two steps.
Yeah, got it. So right now we were thinking of creating, hosting in Vercel. And once we are happy with that, then you think that, oh, I want to buy the domain and I want to point it and host it. We will add that steps also in the notes. We'll create a document.
Okay, thanks.
So in Vercel, you can deploy in a custom domain. So you can purchase domains. You can have multiple domains, all mapped to the code that is in Vercel, that is already deployed. So Vercel allows you
Okay,
to
got it.
All right, Doc, this is not ending this process.
you'll have to say skip and redo it again.
It's not even skipping. Shift. Initial commit complete.
Share screen again.
I'm sharing. You're not able to see?
हाँ.
Oh, it doesn't find any file.
That you'll have to stop it by clicking on that circle, that white circle below, on the corner. Yeah. Uh, yes, send.
No, it's doing anything. Ah, it's doing something. Yeah. Let me move this one here. It's like summarizing the chat content. Diagnosing the issue, understanding the error. Okay. It says some file. Git status.
BT, all the files that you see in the left sidebar, they should be seen in the GitHub repository. So maybe that is the issue you're facing. Can you go to the GitHub repository and check if all these files are there in the repository?
These files you're talking about, right?
All these files should be in the Git repository.
In the Git repository. Okay. So it should be here, huh?
Reload
It's
it.
not.
Just reload this page. So
Yeah, it's not there.
that's the problem. Yeah, check the branches. There is one branch. Click on the branch. So the problem is the codes are not pushed to GitHub. So we have to make sure the codes are in GitHub. Only then can be
So we
deployed.
can go back and ask cursor to push, no?
So what we have to do is we have to say that we want to merge all the branches and push to GitHub.
So first I stop here.
Stop and say merge all branches in GitHub. Merge all branches and push to GitHub. Or say push to GitHub and merge all branches. Run. It's taking too long. Instead of that auto, no, just choose Chat GPT-5
Where?
in auto inside cursor in that drop down in the bottom.
Here.
Or Claude, choose Claude.
GPT-5.
Claude is already selected. That's leave it like that.
GPT-5.
No, Claude is fine. Claude is better.
Cloud
Okay.
Force on it.
Now you again. Yes.
So basically we give the same command.
Same command.
No. No.
Okay.
So we choose something else.
Okay. Leave it as auto only. GPT-5.
GPT-5 will not work.
Try it.
What am I doing? push to okay. OpenAI is currently only available to paid users. Please upgrade your paid plan. I
So-
have paid plan. How do I connect that?
So you have to go to settings on top and log out of this and log in. But that's a big process.
Okay.
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 Back to auto only. Auto.
Okay. Okay. In the case of AI, same commands might yield different results because of the selection of the AI model, right? So, Doc, you will make that, what is that, document draft.
And I'll share it.
Yeah, then we can check once again and make like enough notes around it so that like contextual learning, whenever we use CLI, what is CLI, for example, right? Those kind of things we can add.
Okay.
This is getting stuck again. I think I did things before you said not to do.
It should work.
I want to connect this to my paid ChatGPT account. How to do that?
So first,
How to do?
we need a clean code without any errors. So we'll have to redo this and have a code which is
Shall I stop now? Let's stop.
stop and
how to completely remove it and redo?
so close this application, close cursor.
Okay.
And start from fresh.
Yeah. Anything else I have to do before like how to connect ChatGPT paid account or anything?
You have to select the correct login, the sign in. So if
On the sign in on the.
so, which is the account that you have paid? You have a paid account, so you have to select that.
Yeah. So here I have a paid account here. Okay. So this is paid account, but this is the login, and this is deactivated, and then I have a free account as well, another one.
So you have to
Okay.
use bijitakaran@gmail.com. So for
when I have to use that, when I have to use it, where I have to use it.
so when
So here is the problem, right? In my Git now, here I've used
another account.
another email.
Yes. You have used another email account, and for
Yeah.
cursor, you have used another, but that doesn't matter.
Okay. As long as you connect it, doesn't matter.
Huh.
So I think in cursor, right? In cursor, I can go and figure where is my account details. Here is a problem, right?
Hmm.
I have to log in with the right one.
Yes.
So here I exit. What happened to my cursor? Yeah,
Open.
my computer is resource crunched at the moment. So this is cursor,
Hmm.
and where will I find the login? Where will I find that?
Huh. In that settings on the top right corner.
This one.
Huh. So here, sign out. There must be.
Yeah, same one. See, bijitaragan@gmail.com.
This is the right one.
Yeah,
So why are you still in free plan then? You have to
free
upgrade.
plan of what?
Cursor
Of
free. Cursor.
cursor.
You
I have
you
only free plan in cursor. Do you want to make paid plan?
only then you will be able to access Cloud Code and GPT-5.
Ah, okay. That is what it is saying.
Hmm.
I know.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think I did only the free plan.
Hmm.
Okay, I should get the $20 per month plan.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. So now what? It's still saying it's free plan. Why?
No, you are in pro plan.
Here it's saying free.
Vijay, I think you need to log out and log in one more time.
Okay. I'm okay, maybe. Let's see. Oh, pro plan.
Ah.
Okay. Now,
Ah.
now I start new, right?
You start new. You make sure that you tell cursor to only uh, do the front end using React. And
How to go to my dashboard now?
you have to go to the installed app, no, cursor app.
Yeah. It's already open here. It is already open here. Okay.
So here,
Here,
to make sure whether you're in the right plan, whether it has recognized your plan.
yeah, it is pro plan.
Huh.
I can see here.
Yeah. Okay. Now close it and now start a new project.
Where is okay? Open project.
Open project.
There might be some stuff in that folder. Is it okay?
No. Why there shouldn't be anything. Open a new folder.
Hold on. Because last time we created something, no?
No, open a fresh folder.
See all this. See all this. Yeah, now it's fresh. There were 93 items.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now?
Now you start with the command saying that you want
Website.
website just front end using React, no backend, no Python.
Okay, let's do that. Oh, last time we did using Perplexity. Should we use that?
Huh.
Yeah, but Perplexity gone haywire because it gave all this stuff, right?
No,
It
no,
gave
we
all this
don't
stuff.
need all that. We don't need all that. Huh. Just your information from Perplexity. You just give it your information. and just say that you want a personal website using a React, no
Okay,
backend.
so this is my personal information.
Just
This
copy.
I can copy
Mhm.
and go back here and say,
No, this is the wrong cursor you're in. You have to close this.
let's see.
Close the other one. If there are two, you close it. Otherwise, you'll
I
end.
close everything and start because earlier. Okay, open project. Select folder.
No, start with a blank folder. Don't use a previous folder.
Oh, really? Start with a blank new folder, you mean? So I want to create a new folder.
Yes.
Okay. Who's this guy? Wait. Wait a minute. So, what is this one?
Yeah, again, you have opened a folder which contains code. We don't need any code in the.
I did not open.
Huh?
I did not open actually. I did not open folder. Okay, let me see. So you open cursor, app, right? It is automatically opening, looks like. Let me see.
Open, not there. Just open.
Oh, it's open only. Same command. Is it the same?
See, in the left sidebar, you can see there are folders which says LBW app as it's. So this is some project which you had started earlier. So it has to be a new project.
New window. Yeah. Open project. Okay. And select that new folder. Okay.
Blank folder.
Yeah, blank. Blank.
Okay.
Now I paste it here, no? What is it you want to say? Please create
A personal website.
Website.
Using React.js.
Okay.
I need no backend. Do not use Python.
Yeah, I don't need backend and do not use Python. Okay.
Use the following information.
Use the information below. Okay.
Yes. Now you can select Claude. Uh, huh.
Claude Sonnet 4. Claude for Sonnet, no?
Yes, Claude 4 Sonnet.
So if you put auto, it will take the cheapest token.
Yes.
So how is GPT-5 in coding?
Trash. It is totally not friendly for coders.
Did you try Grok, Doc? Grok.
No. Coding,
One of,
this is the best. This
oh,
Claude is
by the way, I was having a chat with one of my friends who is the founder of lowtouch.ai in the US. And then he was looking at my website and said, "Can I meet with Dr. Murali, BK?"
okay.
I said, "Yes, I can arrange." So he wanted then he asked me about you and I told him, and then he said, "Can I have an interview with him, like an online?"
Uh-huh.
And specifically talking about vibe coding and AI in healthcare.
Uh-huh.
So, I will schedule it, but I've just mentioned it to you now. But what he told me is that his entire organization is using Grok.
Okay.
And Grok, the beauty, what he's saying is that, for example, if you go to ChatGPT or any other, what will happen is that when thousands of people are trying to access it, no, it will downgrade your model in such a way that it will do more hallucination.
Okay.
Okay. Whereas in Grok, it will not do. It will always give you the higher end, whatever you subscribe for. But if millions of people are accessing and if it cannot do, it will say, "I cannot do now. You can try after 30 minutes."
Okay.
So it will not downgrade
Uh-huh.
and give you, because you will end up reworking. So he is very much this thing about Grok.
So he uses Grok for coding.
Yeah. Not only his entire team.
Okay. How big?
They have probably around 10-15 people in Technopark in Trivandrum.
Okay.
Then they are having office in Boston. So they might have few people there. And some distributed people. Like the chief strategy officer is in Dubai, actually, physically, even though it's a global role. So there are some distributed people. So you can go to their website, lowtouch.ai.
Okay. I'll try Grok today.
Yeah. So he said that, I mean, if you want, you can speak to him first before you start trying.
Ah,
Like while you are giving the interview, before
ah,
there will be preparation call before that.
okay.
At the time, you can directly speak to him. I'll set it up
Yeah.
before you start spending the money on grok. You want to be sure. But what he told me is that their entire team is using grok,
Mm,
and he has got this enterprise subscription from grok.
okay.
The 17 files have to be here, right? This list, no? This is what it is creating here.
Ah,
And okay, now I'm creating this republic and solve dependencies. Okay, fine. So I can click here and see what it is doing. It is creating favicon, theme color, background color. So Node.js.npm is not installed, it says. So shall we, it is asking Node.js version or HTML version? Node.js version, no?
Mm, ask it to install Node.js first.
Yeah.
But we said we don't want Node.js, no? Why is it installing?
Yeah. Okay. So
So,
he said we don't want.
see, Node.js is used for backend coding. So we don't want a backend in our system. We just
Okay, so we do not need backend.
including Node.js. So all the prompt that you're given has queued up. You have to against each prompt, you can send it without waiting.
What is that?
See, the two prompts that you gave are
Ah,
queued.
mm.
They are not being applied.
So shall I stop this one?
Stop and go to the prompt that you gave. Go up. Select that.
Which one? This two?
Select and click on that arrow, up pointing arrow.
And this also? So our prompt in the beginning was not clear enough.
Ah,
So we have to do the framework, right?
yes, we should be very clear what technology we want to use.
Yeah. So when you make the document, no, Word doc,
Mhm.
you clearly put a prompt and highlight things which the people have to change, right?
Mm.
I have Claude paid subscription also.
Ah. So you can use Claude in Claude Code. So using the terminal, you can that is much more faster. Claude
Hmm.
Code is the best tool available now in the market.
But it uses up token like crazy. Very fast. The tokens get over.
No, every day there will be a 5 hour break. So, but then it will last for the whole month. Only there will be breaks every 5 hours.
Oh, really?
Hmm. The subscription is for the month, for the entire month, but there are daily limits.
अभी वो नीना आने वाली थी तभी वो बोली मैं
Looks like it's taking more time. Yeah, okay. Okay, doc. It's saying ready for deployment. Hmm?
Now what you need to do is you'll have to say you'll have to give that link git link and then say that you want to delete all the code in GitHub in this repository and push the present code to Git.
This one, no?
Ah,
Okay.
ah.
I take this,
Give it
go
to
back here.
ah.
And say delete.
Delete all code in the repository.
Okay. Yeah. And
Add this present code. Push this present code. Push this present code to the same repository.
clone.
From the printer. Print the paper.
I see you. I see in Ayushman. Full. आशीष तौफिक ये आज मस्त काम की मस्त एक हफ्ते का तो फिर इनका 3 हो गया तो we did very well. One patient went back and then see 1 2 3 4 4 admissions. Okay. And OPD to IPD also we did. So I was very happy today morning. See my वो पिछली बार
Now deploy the code in using Vercel CLI. Go to Vercel.
And it is checking Node.js. What I'm saying, what if people wants to use Lovable and then host on Vercel?
So in Lovable, it automatically pushes to the GitHub. So
Okay.
once we have the GitHub repository link, we can go to Vercel and connect Vercel to that GitHub repository and deploy the code.
Hmm.
So it's done. Congratulations.
Yeah, let me see. Okay, this one, right?
No, you go to Vercel. There is a
Like, any specific part. Oh, it's asking me to do some steps.
yes. You have to go to Vercel. There are a few steps you have to do there.
Okay. Yeah. Here,
Go back.
I'm still in the previous project.
So this is a different project, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a different project. I have to get back to the dashboard or something, right? Here, add new.
This is not the project? Okay.
This is the previous one.
Okay.
I can delete it.
Okay, add new.
Where it went and deployed. Okay.
Now import the first one. BT website.
Yeah.
Deploy.
Here I have to do some stuff, no?
Deploy. Just deploy.
Here and all, I don't have to put anything.
Nothing. Just deploy.
Congratulations.
Done. So this is the site. You click on the website that you're seeing.
Click on the.
Okay. Continue to dashboard. So this is the domain that you have.
This one.
No, the one below that.
This one.
That's the domain.
Okay. I can click on this. Oh, this is like very basic. This is like simply copying the content I gave you, and that also the alignment is not correct. So
you can improve now you will be easily able to deploy all the enhancements. So in cursor, now you'll have to go again and say the website is too basic. I want a modern, stylish, contemporary website, and it'll then enhance the website. Now, the next time you push to Git or when you push to when you deploy in Vercel, it'll be easier. So another.
I think I think it uses HTML. No, I don't want it to use HTML.
So like even using HTML, it can make a very good site. So let it finish with HTML, then we can enhance. Say that we want to add some.
Okay. Anything else to give here?
Uh,
Modern, contemporary. Anything else?
Add React components if necessary.
Add pictures.
Add animation.
React with modern tooling. Did you see the bijitarakan.com website?
No, let me see. Let's just go there.
BIJITHARAKN.
We have some laser ablation cases. If we can convert them into Yojana. Should we take them? I mean, they came for ESIC. Sachin didn't know, so we can do. So.
But this is not you, no?
Oh, the guy sitting on the stool. The guy who's sitting on the stool, right?
Yes.
That's like my version. I see myself. I don't care what you see. I see myself like that. That guy who's sitting there.
Okay, it's a beautiful site. Yes.
So can we give this site and say, give me the code for this site?
Of this site, huh?
I mean, any site, for example.
Ah.
I want to make something like this site and give me the code for that.
So you don't have the code?
No, I have, but I'm asking generally, is it possible to ask AI to do that? Like clone this site, for example, right? Clone this website. Is it possible?
So if you give these images, it'll clone.
Images we can give.
So all these images, you'll have to give one by one and it'll clone.
dial.
He's doing some serious work.
Hmm.
Doc, you have to give me like a who is Meena, Rajesh, and Nihar in your team, or
Um,
then we can end this call and we can start another. I'll call you.
no, I've removed them.
Nihar? Okay. Okay. So I wanted an estimate for that um, Linkist one and Betzer one.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, I'll give.
And we need to like
I'll in about an hour's time, I'll give you both.
The two reception girls have gone home because they're very sick.
Now what, Doc? Website is now live on your GitHub repository and ready for deployment. Would you like me to help you deploy it or Versa and guide it through? Yes, yes, yes.
You have to say deploy using CLI.
Deploy using Versa CLI. Run or skip?
So, have to wait for the temperature to get back, to switch off the machine. So the first stuff has to be thrown out because it's bad. So,
Why it is again asking Node.js?
Node.js is needed for using Vercel CLI.
Okay. So what shall I say now? One, no? Node.js installation and CLI. Right?
Yes, yes.
Node.js installation and CLI deployment. Where is it? I thought Node.js earlier was installed.
Just as say do it automatically.
What did you say?
Try saying do it automatically. It's asking you to do it, no? But it deployed in Vercel the last time without Node.js. Vercel CLI is a
Shall I do Node.js and restart?
Huh?
Shall I do Node.js and restart?
You'll have to install it, no?
Yeah.
You'll have to go to Node.js website
.org. Yeah.
and
I
download.
think we did earlier, but we'll do once again. Why it is here? Okay. What is it? Prepare. I think I installed earlier. Can I now restart? Doc.
We have to follow the instructions.
Yeah. Okay. Let's disconnect the call. Let me try it out and let you know.
Uh,
Okay.